All right. Hi, welcome to another Nomad Sculpt modeling video. What we're gonna do is just a simple little squiggly squid. Um, I just made some reference pictures here. So the front, the side, and I think that's a top and bottom. Then like a little 3D thing, but it's overall pretty simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add cylinders. And then bring this down like this. We're just gonna name him Squidly. Oh, alright, there we are. Alright, bring it down more. Let's do the left side. Alright, that's about right. Alright, and then validate, and then we're just gonna copy this. Oh. Okay. Select all three of them. Bring it down just a bit more like that. And then we're also going to duplicate the, do a simple merge. Duplicate this. That. And then do it again. Oh. That should be pretty good. All right, there we are. Now let's take this right here, and what we're gonna do is go to the left side, make this a little smaller like that. So like it kind of lines up with the side of one of the legs here, and we are gonna move things a bit. Right, that's good. Left, high radius. Like that. Now let's do that to the other side. Now let's do that to the other side. Sweet. Okay. Then let's go top. Sweet. Alright, that's pretty good. Now then just that's good. Let's do it again. And then we're gonna merge everything. Voxel merge. And we're gonna do a resolution of like 100. Not too much, but not too little. Voxel merge. Alright. And then we're gonna do soft. And we're gonna just try to smooth this out as best we can. See? It's pretty good, right? The legs aren't too weirdly protruding out. Okay. That's my cat. Alright, let's keep going. Yes, yes, you're adorable. Now go away. Alright. And oh. He likes to go everywhere he likes. Alright. Then that too. I'll soften it up. And we'll do it inside here as well. Okay, everything's nice and soft. And we're also gonna fix the geometry. So voxel. Oh, not much change. Sweet. All right. And as you can see, Squidly is doing pretty well. Maybe a little more here. All right. Now we can do some moving here. Go to the front. Oh. Decrease the radius. Actually, let's do some dragging instead. And let's take away the symmetry. That might help us out. Decrease the radius. Decrease the radius even more. Oh, not too much. Alright, I guess we're just gonna have some weirdness to it, but that's fine. Left. That's pretty good. All right, and then let's add some squiggly eyes, and we're just going to do a simple clay. Subtract. Oh, make sure symmetry's on, and decrease the radius apparently. Kind of reminds me of Cthulhu. Soften this up like that, and then we're gonna just add two little spheres. Front. That's good. Okay. And now validate. We're gonna do a little bit of dragging here. Decrease the radius. Actually, increase the radius here. Like that. Oh, looks pretty good. And now, so we can copy it pretty nicely. Go to Gizmo. And then we're gonna do symmetry. Make sure it's symmetry on the world and right to left. Nice. And there we have it, our little Cthulhu or Squidly. So if you like, we can do some quick painting. So choose the body. Here. Where is it? Where's the paint? Just the green. Darker green like that. And then the eyes. We'll make them, like, there we are, really dark. And that's it. There we have our little Squidly, or Cthulhu Squidly. Anyway, I'm gonna do the UV stuff for this, and then if you wanna